Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location you're watching us from. This is Love Ada Family TV. Today we have an important topic to treat. And this topic, if you hear this, in fact, after going through this, I was like, if I know what I know now, oh my God, I don't know where I would have been. Please share this post. Share this post. Let parents see the post. Let children see the post. Let family. What are we treating in this page? Good relationship that brings a good, successful family. Yes, this is what we are doing. And today, what do we have to do? Today we want to talk about ways fathers correct their children. Yes, I think I'm in a very good position to say this. Ways that lovely fathers correct their children. There are a lot of ways that lovely fathers correct their children. When we talk about fathers, we that were women, I am the first daughter. So first daughters, come now. This post, you really need it. First daughters, come here. Other daughters, come here. Ways that our own fathers correct us. Number one, I want to talk about first daughters. Relationship between first daughters and their fathers. A lot of first daughters and their fathers are very close. When I mean close, I mean very, very close. Sometimes you see them, some of them as if they are not close. They have a way of coming back together. They will love each other so much. I love my dad. What about you? Write your own on the comment section. How do these fathers correct their daughters? When you have done something wrong, and your father will say, come, you come. First of all, my own father, when I do anything wrong, my father will say, come, I will come. And my father will start singing for me. Can you imagine? Aduku, Adamma, Adaku, okay, go. Hey, that's how my father corrects me. And I'll say, Daddy, why are you talking like, say, your legs like my leg, you walk like me, you bounce and bounce, lovely Adam. My daddy calls me Adam, and what it means is my own Ada. Yes, so when a dad wants to, there are different ways, but this is the way my own father corrects me. Your own father may be correcting you in another way, but it's still lovely. But do you know what? Any correction my father gives to me, he has entered for life. I don't take it as a joke. Fathers don't correct their daughters when they are angry. Lovely fathers. So if you're a father following me, learn it. Because daughters love fathers a lot. So when you want to correct your daughter, remember the good things your daughter does. Remember the way you do things you normally do. Come back and tell Ada that is the best Ada in the whole world. And you will get what you are looking for. Correction from fathers. Correction from fathers imparts so much in their children. Then when fathers want to correct their first son, you bring the first son, you sit the first son down, and you say, you know that after me, you are the next. And that's why you have to do like a dad. You hold his ears, and he will come close to you. That is the correction. And you see, the first son will take it. Then other ones, the other Adas, the other sons, you say, come, you are behaving like your daughter. My father have names that he calls, pet names that he calls all of us. In my family, you can't say, my daddy did not love you, or this. You have your name, even now that it's late. So if you're a father following me, do the same. Because it's not good for children. Not for children to collect correction from their dad. Every child want their dad to correct them one day. Thank you. This is Love Ada.